Does anyone else's baby love sweet peppers? Mine is obsessed with them right now. She also has teeth coming in, so I think that's why she likes to chew on them. But today we are going to Target to restock on her favorite sweet peppers. First, I'm going to grab these little stasher bags. They are perfect to put in your fridge to literally use for everything. Honestly, she even puts her toys in them sometimes. We are back home. I grabbed my stasher bag and her sweet peppers. Let's get them all chopped up and restock the fridge so that when she is ready to have her snack, they are ready to go. As you can see, they fit perfectly in this little bag, and I can just throw it right into the fridge where she's able to grab them.